Hello, my name is Carlos Zambrano.
And I'm Catherine Funes, and I'm the program assistant for the New Voices Are Rising program.
And I'm the program co-director.
New Voices is a youth environmental program based in Oakland.
And for the last year, we've led a class at Coliseum College Prep Academy in the Havenscourt area in Oakland called Just Breathing. This class focuses on teaching youth about the effects of poor outdoor air quality on their health and teaches youth on ways how to be able to advocate for themselves in their community and how to make improvements in their community. In the last year, we've done experiments with these youth. They tested air quality and saw how poor the air quality is in the Havenscourt area, and we conducted health surveys that showed that majority folks at their school, because we conducted it at their school, suffer from asthma or know somebody that suffers from asthma.
So we chose this area specifically in the Havenscourt because this area is primarily low-income people of color who live here, so this community is the one who is most at risk of all the poor air quality consequences such as asthma that come from poor air quality. And I think moving forward, the hope for Havenscourt that we have in the work that we're doing is to alleviate that so that these folks aren't living in an area that has poor air quality that's leading to all these health consequences.
My name is Anita, and I manage the Healthy Havenscourt Collaborative. Healthy Havenscourt is a place-based collaborative. The idea was, by bringing together one, Havenscourt residents who know their community better than anyone else, two, community-based organizations across a variety of sectors from public health, early childhood, affordable housing, and three, public systems. How could we better align goals and resources to strengthen the neighborhood conditions that will ultimately improve the long-term health and well-being of Havenscourt residents?
Hi everyone, my name is Silvia Guzman and I am a promotora with La Clínica de la Raza. Some of the issues that I've learned from residents in Havenscourt are violence around the community and in the community. Illegal dumping is happening a lot around the community. Housing is also one of the biggest issues that we have here in Oakland. Oakland holds 70% of the majority of homeless people in the county of Alameda, and they do live around Havenscourt. I'm very excited about this project because not only will we be bringing resources into the community that needs it very much, but I'm also very excited because as a healthy food champion, I've learned that health is not just about going to the doctor. It affects where you live, where you work, and where you play, and also the community and the resources that surround you. So bringing this resource into a community that is greatly in need, it's a great motivator for me to learn and to investigate and do more research and bring it back into the community.
I've been at La Clínica many years, and the reason I was excited to join the Havenscourt Collaborative Asthma Work Group is while we work in educating patients around how to manage their asthma, what appeals to me about this work is that it's going upstream, and we're really looking at trying to impact policy to affect the conditions that create asthma and that create the disparity in asthma that we see in the community. So I was really excited, I am really excited to be engaged in something that brings together the people that we work with, our promotoras, as well as agencies that are all at the table, but trying to affect policy change. I find that really exciting, and I'm glad to be doing it.
RAMP stands for Regional Asthma Management and Prevention. We work to reduce the burden of asthma by targeting the root causes of asthma disparities impacting low-income communities and communities of color, such as outdoor air pollution and substandard housing conditions. We are a member of the Healthy Havenscourt Collaborative because we see an opportunity to build the capacity of community members and partners to promote health equity. With the rate of asthma hospitalizations 5 times higher than the state average, the predominantly African American and Latino residents of Havenscourt face significant health disparities. Unhealthy housing is a key driver of these disparities, as 46% of residents report unsafe housing conditions, including major asthma triggers such as mold and pest infestations. Addressing substandard housing in a community requires policy and systems change. RAMP has years of experience successfully working with stakeholders to advance healthy housing policies at the state level. Our hope is through this project, we can support the meaningful engagement of community residents through La Clinica's Promotora model so that residents can effectively advocate for improved housing conditions.
In the past 6 to 7 years, Ibalsi has built strong partnerships with several of the large hospitals in the Bay Area. As a Build 1.0 grantee, Ibalsi had the opportunity to work with Sutter Health System, and Healthy Havenscourt is grateful to be able to continue that collaboration in Havenscourt. Bringing BCHO's Find Connect and Pearl screening to Havenscourt will allow the partners to deepen their understanding of resident social determinants of health needs. For a condition like asthma, this is very helpful because asthma is particularly susceptible to the social determinants of health. What's great about Dr. Long and her team is that they very much understand a sole focus on clinical services will not be enough, but rather what is needed is a comprehensive approach that includes clinical services complemented by the upstream place-based strategies. This is completely aligned with Ibalsi's Healthy Neighborhoods approach. And what's even more exciting for the Build 3.0 initiative is that Havenscourt residents will be delivering the tools in the neighborhood, connecting their neighbors to the resources and care they need. So it's community supporting community, advocating for the resources they want to see in Havenscourt to lead safe and healthy lives. If awarded a Build 3.0 grant, Healthy Havenscourt and Ibalsi are very excited to forge a new collaboration with Benioff Children's Hospital of Oakland.